Welcome to this quick guide on how to find all your recognized devices on Facebook Web using your PC after the new update. If you want to check which computers, phones, or other devices Facebook remembers, you can find everything through your account settings. This is useful if you want to review your recent access or make sure that no unfamiliar device is connected to your account. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you have not already done so. Once Facebook has loaded, look at the top right corner of the page. You will see your profile photo. Click on it to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will open another section with several options related to your Facebook account. Next, click on Settings. You will now be taken to the main settings page, where you can manage your personal information, privacy, security, and other account preferences. In the Settings menu, find and select Activity Log. The activity log contains a record of different actions and account-related information connected to your Facebook profile. Now, look for the section called Security and Login Information. Click on it to continue. On the next page, you should see several security-related options. Find and click on Recognized Devices. Here, Facebook will display the devices it recognizes or has saved for your account. Depending on your account activity, you may see computers, smartphones, tablets, or other devices listed on this page. You can review the device names and check whether they belong to you. If you notice a device that you do not recognize, take action immediately. Consider changing your Facebook password and reviewing your active login sessions to help protect your account. And that is how you can find all your recognized devices on Facebook Web using your PC. Checking this list regularly is a simple way to stay aware of where your account has been accessed and to improve your overall account security.